Hello guys, welcome to this Itel solution. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the screen for Itel 5626. Hope you can see it. So the screen is white. So let me just on it and you can see it. You can see, right? So it's white. So let's get to business. So just hold this thing, please. So first of all, just need to flip the screen, and these are the very leg. This is 37 leg. You can see the number here. Yes, 37. You can see it. So if you count this whole leg, it's 37. So now let's apply paste. So apply your paste. You need to be on it. Good. So the purpose of this paste to keep the so as you can see, I'm gradually removing it. So just use your soldering iron to be rubbing this up, please. And here we go. So can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? As you can see, it's separated successfully, right? So the next thing is for us to maintain this place, this very place. Let's just maintain it. So just bring this to the iron. So just be rubbing it, make sure it's smooth. This, I can see the lines smoothly. So yes, see it. You hope you are following up. The next thing now is for us to check. See how smooth it is. Can you look at it? It's smooth. So let's take this out. Next thing now is to try to coat the new layer, the new screen, as you can see. So just put a little layer and rub it on this layer. And see it. Yes. Just rub it on there. You can make your soldering easy for you. So now let's see the results of this surgery. Let's go. Wow. So it's good to go. So that is just it. So just for this step and you succeed. Thank you for choosing the Itel solution. Remember to subscribe and share this video to all the technicians who are in need of this video.